Hi there, welcome, welcome. Many of us at times wonder where our favorite, not even our favorites, but entertainers we've listened to whilst growing up, but we are neither hearing nor seeing any performances of them. You're thinking, where are they? So today we are just informing you of what's going on with some of them. As you know, they are too many to be listed, so let's name a few. In the comments section, leave the name of an entertainer you are, or were a fan of.
Can't ball in a life, man.
Hi kings and queens, welcome back to Edutainment TV channel, the place to be. Remember to like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and as usual hit that bell button for notification.
Here goes. 15 Jamaican entertainers who were once famous, where are they now? Jamaica has produced some of the most talented entertainers the world has ever seen. From dancehall legends to reggae icons and television personalities, many Jamaican stars once dominated the spotlight with hit songs, unforgettable performances, and massive fan followings. While some are still active today, others have stepped away from fame, changed careers, or live much quieter lives. Here's a look at 15 Jamaican entertainers who were once hugely popular and where they are now. 1. Lady Saw. Lady Saw, often called the Queen of Dancehall, broke barriers for female artists in a male-dominated industry. Her bold lyrics and energetic performances made her one of Jamaica's biggest female entertainers. Where is Lady Saw now? Lady Saw later transformed her life and became a Christian minister. She stepped away from dancehall and now focuses on gospel music and ministry work under the name Minister Marion Hall. 2. Mr. Vegas. Mr. Vegas became internationally famous with songs like Heads High and Bruck It Down. His energetic style and catchy hooks made him a dancehall favorite worldwide. Where is Mr. Vegas now? Mr. Vegas still records music and performs internationally. In recent years, he has also become known for speaking openly on social and political issues affecting Jamaica and the Caribbean. 3. Cecile. Cecile was one of dancehall's hottest female stars in the early 2000s. Songs like Can You Do the Walk and collaborations with top artists helped her gain popularity across the Caribbean. Where is Cecile now? Cecile relocated overseas and continues to make music independently while balancing family life. Though less active in mainstream dancehall, she still maintains a loyal fanbase. 4. Tanya Stephens.
It is a pity you already have a wife.
Tanya Stephens became famous for her witty lyrics, storytelling ability, and socially conscious songs. Tracks like It's a Pity and These Streets showcased her unique talent. Where is Tanya Stephens now? Tanya Stephens still performs and records music but has kept a lower public profile in recent years. She remains highly respected for her lyrical skills and contributions to reggae and dancehall. 5. Mad Cobra. Mad Cobra was one of dancehall's most feared lyrical artists during the 1990s. Songs like Flex and Tech Him helped him gain international recognition. Where is Mad Cobra now? Mad Cobra occasionally performs and releases music but mostly stays away from the spotlight. His influence on hardcore dancehall artists is still recognized today. 6. Louis Culture. Louis Culture was famous for conscious reggae and dancehall songs that promoted positivity and culture. He became known for songs encouraging youth empowerment and Rastafarian values. Where is Louis Culture now? Louis Culture continues to perform occasionally and remains respected in reggae circles. He is known for living a more spiritual and private lifestyle today. 7. Patra. Patra became one of Jamaica's first female dancehall artists to gain major international crossover success in the 1990s. Her hit song Waka Man made her a global star. Where is Patra now? Patra lives a more private life today and rarely appears publicly. However, she is still celebrated as a pioneer for female dancehall artists worldwide. 8. Richie Spice.
But I bring in the crack and the guns to come mess up the youths, them mad. I go tell you when I look down at deep right.
Richie Spice rose to fame with conscious reggae hits like Youth Dem Cold and Earth A Run Red. His music focused heavily on social issues and Rastafarian teachings. Where is Richie Spice now? Richie Spice continues to tour and release music internationally. Though not always in mainstream headlines, he remains active in reggae culture and maintains a dedicated fanbase. 9. Frisco Kid. Frisco Kid became one of the hottest dancehall artists during the late 1990s and early 2000s. Known for his fast lyrical delivery and energetic flow, he gained popularity with songs like Tink We Nice, Gal Pan D Side, and Rubbers. Frisco Kid was also closely connected to the legendary alliance led by Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer during dancehall's peak era. His unique voice and hardcore dancehall style earned him respect both locally and internationally. Where is Frisco Kid now? Frisco Kid later turned toward a more spiritual lifestyle and focused heavily on Rastafarian teachings. Over the years, he has continued releasing conscious reggae and dancehall music while staying active in performances and interviews. Though not as mainstream as before, he still has a loyal fanbase across the Caribbean and among old-school dancehall lovers. 10. Super Cat. Super Cat is widely considered one of the greatest dancehall DJs of all time. Also known as Don Dada, Super Cat became famous during the late 1980s and early 1990s with massive hits like Ghetto Red Hot, Dem No Worry We, and Dolly My Baby. His style heavily influenced modern dancehall and even hip-hop artists in the United States. Super Cat's confidence, lyrical flow, and crossover success helped bring Jamaican dancehall music to international audiences long before the genre became globally mainstream. Where is Super Cat now? Super Cat has mostly stayed away from the spotlight in recent years, living a quieter life overseas. However, he still makes occasional appearances at major reggae and dancehall events, and fans continue to celebrate him as a true pioneer of the genre. Many younger artists still credit him as one of their biggest inspirations. 11. Major Mackerel. Major Mackerel became famous during the 1990s dancehall era with his humorous lyrics, animated performances, and unforgettable personality. Songs like Pretty Looks Done and Cow Cod made him one of the most entertaining figures in Jamaican music. His playful dancehall style stood out at a time when hardcore lyrics dominated the scene, helping him build a strong fanbase throughout Jamaica and the Caribbean. Where is Major Mackerel now? Major Mackerel has largely stepped away from mainstream music but still performs occasionally at retro dancehall events and stage shows. Fans of classic 90s dancehall still recognize him as one of the most entertaining personalities from that golden era of Jamaican music. 12. Cutty Ranks. Cutty Ranks became internationally famous for his rough vocal style and hardcore dancehall lyrics. Songs like The Stopper, Ahu Say Me Done, and Limb by Limb helped him become one of the most feared lyrical artists of his generation. Cutty Ranks also achieved crossover success overseas and became respected in both reggae and hip-hop circles. His powerful voice and aggressive delivery influenced countless dancehall artists who came after him. Where is Cutty Ranks now? Cutty Ranks continues to perform internationally and remains active in reggae and dancehall culture. He still appears at festivals, interviews, and stage shows while maintaining his status as one of dancehall's legendary pioneers. His music continues to be played by selectors and DJs worldwide. 13. Little Lenny. Little Lenny entered the dancehall scene during a highly competitive era filled with legendary entertainers. His unique style, animated delivery, and entertaining performances quickly helped him stand out. He became widely recognized for songs such as Gun in a Baggie, Bum Flick Pan Me Dick, Nah Resign. His music was heavily played on Jamaican sound systems, street dances, and radio stations. Fans appreciated his ability to mix comedy, storytelling, and dancehall vibes into songs that became crowd favorites. Where is Little Lenny now? In recent years, Little Lenny has maintained a much lower public profile compared to his peak years in dancehall. While he may not dominate headlines today, his music still lives on among fans of classic Jamaican dancehall. Old-school dancehall lovers continue to celebrate his contributions to the genre, especially his ability to bring humor, originality, and energy into Jamaican music culture. His songs remain popular at retro dancehall events, throwback parties, and among DJs who keep the golden era of dancehall alive. 14. Elephant Man. Known as the Energy God, Elephant Man brought unmatched energy to dancehall music. His dance songs and stage performances made him one of Jamaica's biggest entertainers during the 2000s. Where is Elephant Man now? Elephant Man still performs internationally and occasionally releases new music. He remains a respected figure in dancehall culture and is often credited for helping popularize dance trends globally. 15. Ninja Man. Ninja Man quickly gained attention for his sharp lyrics, fast delivery, and fearless attitude. Unlike many entertainers of his time, he was known for directly confronting rivals during stage clashes, earning him respect and fear across the dancehall scene. He rose to fame with songs such as Murder Dem, Permit to Bury, Border Clash, Protection, Gun Bogle. His unique style and dramatic performances made him one of the most talked about artists in Jamaica. Where is Ninja Man now? Though no longer active on stage like in his prime years, Ninja Man remains one of the most respected and discussed figures in dancehall culture. Ninja Man's career was heavily affected by legal problems over the years. His most serious case led to a conviction that shocked the Jamaican entertainment industry and fans worldwide. His incarceration marked a major turning point in his life and career. Even while behind bars, however, his name continued to hold weight in dancehall culture. Many fans and artists still referred to him as one of the greatest dancehall entertainers of all time. Fans frequently revisit his classic performances online, and his old clashes still attract millions of views. His legacy remains deeply connected to the golden era of Jamaican dancehall, where lyrical skill, stage presence, and crowd control were everything. Final thoughts. Jamaican entertainment has produced unforgettable stars whose music and personalities shaped Caribbean culture for decades. While some entertainers remain active in music and media, others have chosen quieter lives, spiritual journeys, or different career paths. Even though the spotlight may not shine on them as brightly today, their legacy in Jamaican entertainment remains strong. From sound systems to international stages, these legends helped carry dancehall music from Jamaica to the world. One thing remains certain: their impact on Jamaican culture and global music will never be forgotten. From dancehall legends to reggae icons, these entertainers helped put Jamaica on the world stage and inspired generations of artists who followed after them. So until next time, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment.
Can't ball in a life, man.
Entertainment TV channel, the place to be. Remember to like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and as usual, hit that bell button for notification.